Have you ever stared at the mirror wishing that stubborn belly fat would finally disappear? What if I told you that in just 7 days you could see visible changes without starving yourself or spending hours at the gym? Today I'm sharing a simple step-by-step at-home routine that targets belly fat, boosts your metabolism, and fits right into your daily life. Stay with me until the end because I'll guide you through each move, each tip, and even share a special bonus strategy that most people don't know, but it makes a huge difference. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Lena Jones and my mission is to help people like you achieve real lasting fat loss without unrealistic diets or complicated equipment. Belly fat is one of the most stubborn areas, and it's not just about looks. Excess belly fat can increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other health problems. This 7-day routine is designed for everyone from beginners to those already on their fitness journey. No expensive gym memberships, no crash diets, just a consistent plan you can follow from your living room. We're going to combine effective exercises that ignite fat-burning movements that tighten your core and simple daily habits that make a real difference. Each day you'll do a quick but powerful workout designed to activate your muscles and rev up your metabolism. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step and even show you easier modifications if you're just starting out. The best part? These workouts take less than 15 minutes per day. So grab your water bottle, put on something comfortable, and let's get started. Remember, commit for just 7 days and you will feel the difference in your energy, your confidence, and yes, your waistline. Exercise 1. Standing high knees. Let's start strong with standing high knees, a powerful move that not only warms up your entire body but also sets your metabolism on fire. Stand with your feet hip width apart, shoulders relaxed, and arms at your sides. As the timer starts, lift your right knee as high as you can toward your chest. Quickly switch and do the same with your left knee. Keep alternating as fast as you can while pumping your arms up and down. The secret is in your core. Don't just lift your legs, actively pull your belly button inward as if trying to zip up a tight pair of jeans. This ensures your abs are engaged with every single lift. Keep your chest upright, avoid leaning back, and breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Do this for 40 seconds, rest for 20, and repeat for 3 rounds. High knees aren't just a warm-up, they burn serious calories, elevate your heart rate, and prime your body for fat loss by activating your hip flexors, lower abs, and quads simultaneously. If you're a beginner, march in place with exaggerated arm swings. If you're more advanced, aim for faster, explosive movements. Within just a minute or two, you'll feel your blood pumping and your core firing up. This move lays the foundation for what's to come in the routine. Every sweat drop here is a step closer to a slimmer belly and a more energetic you. Exercise 2. Plank to shoulder taps. This exercise is a belly fat killer that also strengthens your arms, shoulders, and back while keeping your core tight and stable. Begin by placing your hands directly under your shoulders in a high plank position, feet hip width apart, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your navel in toward your spine as though you're bracing for a gentle punch. Now slowly lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder, return it to the mat, and immediately lift your left hand to tap your right shoulder. The challenge here is not speed, it's control. Your hips should stay as still as possible, avoid rocking side to side. This forces your deep abdominal muscles, the transverse abdominis, to fire up, which is crucial for trimming your waistline. Perform this for 30 to 40 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat 3 times. For beginners, widen your feet slightly for better balance. For advanced, bring your feet closer together or add a light hip rotation each time you tap. Focus on your breathing. Inhale as you stabilize, exhale each time you tap. This exercise not only tones your abs but also trains your body to maintain a strong core in motion, which means more calories burned even when you're not working out. Over time, consistent plank variations like this help tighten loose belly fat by engaging your entire midsection, making your stomach look flatter and more defined. Stay strong, stay steady, and keep your eyes slightly ahead, not down, to protect your neck alignment. Exercise 3. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches target that stubborn lower belly pouch most people struggle with, and they're far more effective than traditional sit-ups for that area. Lie flat on your back with your hands placed lightly by your sides or tucked gently under your hips for extra support. Bend your knees at about a 90-degree angle and lift your feet off the floor. As you exhale, contract your abdominal muscles and slowly draw your knees toward your chest, lifting your hips slightly off the mat. The key here is control, not momentum. Avoid swinging your legs, instead think about curling your pelvis toward your ribcage. Slowly lower your legs back to the starting position without letting your feet touch the ground. This keeps constant tension on your abs and maximizes fat burning impact. Perform 12 to 15 reps per set, 3 rounds total. Beginners can keep their hands flat on the floor and legs slightly higher to reduce tension, while advanced participants can extend their legs fully and move them in a slow, controlled manner for added intensity. Remember to keep your lower back pressed firmly into the mat at all times. This prevents strain and keeps the focus exactly where you want it, your lower abs. Pairing reverse crunches with proper breathing, exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower, enhances the contraction and oxygen flow, speeding up your fat loss process over time. Do this consistently and you'll feel your lower belly firming up day by day, making your core stronger and more toned. Exercise for crossbody mountain climbers. This is not your average cardio move. Crossbody mountain climbers torch calories while directly attacking your obliques and lower abs. Start in a high plank position with your shoulders stacked over your wrists, core tight, and gaze slightly ahead. From here, drive your right knee across your body toward your left elbow. Return your right foot back to start and immediately bring your left knee toward your right elbow. Keep alternating, building a rhythm like you're running horizontally. Begin at a moderate pace to master your form, then gradually increase your speed as you feel more confident. The twisting motion forces your side abs to engage with every rep, creating that sculpted waistline effect over time. Aim for 30 to 40 seconds of work, rest 20 seconds, and repeat 3 rounds. To make it easier, move slower and keep your hips slightly higher. For advanced level, go faster or wear ankle weights. Keep your shoulders steady, don't let them sway forward and back, and keep your hips low to avoid straining your lower back. Breathe steadily, inhale as you switch, exhale as you drive your knee across. This move works your entire core, elevates your heart rate for maximum fat burn, and conditions your shoulders and legs too. Within a week, you'll notice better endurance, more defined obliques, and a leaner midsection. The best part? No equipment, just your body weight working against gravity to shred stubborn fat. Exercise 5. Russian twists. Russian twists are an excellent exercise for chiseling your side abs while improving your balance and core stability. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly until you feel your abs tighten. This is your starting position. Lift your feet slightly off the ground for more challenge, or keep them on the floor if you're a beginner. Now clasp your hands together or hold a water bottle for light resistance. Rotate your torso to the right, touching your hands or the bottle to the floor beside your hip, then twist to the left. That's 1 rep. Perform this movement slowly and deliberately. Don't just swing your arms, rotate from your waist, feeling your obliques engage with each twist. Keep your spine straight, chest lifted, and shoulders away from your ears to avoid straining your neck. Do this for 40 seconds, rest for 20, and repeat 3 rounds. As you advance, try extending your legs straighter or using a heavier object. Controlled breathing is key here. Exhale with every twist, inhale as you return to center. Russian twists not only burn fat around your waist but also enhance rotational strength, which is essential for daily movements like turning, reaching, or even sports performance. Combine this with consistent cardio and clean eating, and you'll notice that unwanted belly fat melting faster while your core gains definition. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a lower belly toner that doubles as an endurance builder for your core. Start by lying on your back with your hands tucked slightly under your hips. This provides extra lower back support. Extend your legs fully, lift them about 6 inches off the ground, and begin making small, quick up and down fluttering motions with your feet. Keep your core engaged, pull your navel toward your spine and your lower back pressed firmly into the floor at all times. This is crucial for preventing strain and maximizing muscle activation. Go for 30 seconds of flutter kicks, rest 15 seconds, repeat 3 to 4 rounds. Beginners can keep their legs slightly higher for less intensity. Advanced participants should hover closer to the ground for a deeper burn. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed. There's no need to lift them unless you want to increase the challenge by doing so. Focus on steady breathing. Inhale for 2 kicks, exhale for 2 kicks. Flutter kicks primarily work your lower abs, but also engage your hip flexors and thighs, making it a triple action move for toning and fat burning. After a few rounds, you'll feel that deep, intense burn. That's the sweet spot where transformation begins. Pair this move with a calorie deficit and daily hydration, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your lower belly's firmness within weeks. Exercise 7. Side plank hip dips. This is a fantastic move to target your obliques, the side muscles of your abdomen, while also improving your overall core stability. stability. Lie on your right side with your elbow directly under your shoulder, legs stacked one over the other. Lift your hips so your body forms a straight line from shoulders to feet. This is your side plank position. Now slowly lower your hip toward the ground without touching it, then squeeze your obliques to lift back up to the starting position. Perform 12 to 15 dips on the right side, switch to the left and repeat for 3 rounds. To make it easier, bend your bottom knee and keep it on the floor as a support point. For more intensity, extend your top arm toward the ceiling or hold a small weight. Throughout the movement, keep your core tight, chest open, and avoid letting your shoulder sink. Breathe out as you lift, inhale as you lower. Side plank hip dips sculpt your waistline, strengthen your spine stabilizers, and help tighten love handles, which are often resistant to typical crunches. Over time, this move also improves your posture and balance, 2 key factors in making your stomach appear flatter. Feel the burn on each side? That's your obliques firing up to redefine your midsection. Exercise 8. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a powerhouse exercise that hits your upper, lower, and side abs in one fluid motion, making them one of the most effective moves for belly fat reduction. Lie on your back, place your hands behind your head, and lift your legs to a tabletop position. Now simultaneously lift your head and shoulders off the mat while bringing your right elbow toward your left knee, extending your right leg out straight. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating in a pedaling motion like you're riding a bike in slow motion. The key is control, don't rush. Each twist should come from your core, not just your elbows. Aim for 45 seconds, rest 15, repeat 3 rounds. Beginners can keep their legs higher for less strain, advanced can lower their legs closer to the ground. Breathe out as you twist, inhale as you return to center. Bicycle crunches not only burn calories but also improve rotational strength, which translates into better core definition and balance. Combined with a consistent routine, this move helps reveal those toned lines along your waist that many people call ab cuts. Exercise 9. Squat to knee drive twist. This is a dynamic compound move that works your legs, glutes, and abs simultaneously while giving your metabolism a serious boost. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, chest lifted. Lower yourself into a squat, hips back, knees behind, toes weight on your heels. As you rise from the squat, bring your right knee up toward your chest while twisting your torso to the right. Return to the squat and repeat on the other side. Think of this move as a full body fat blaster. The squat recruits large leg muscles to burn calories, while the knee drive with a twist engages your obliques and lower abs. Perform 12 to 14 reps per side, rest 30 seconds, repeat for 3 rounds. Beginners can perform a half squat and skip the twist at first. Advanced participants can hold a light dumbbell or water bottle at their chest for added resistance. Keep your movement fluid but controlled, don't rush the twist, and keep your core tight throughout. Exhale as you drive the knee, inhale as you lower. Over time, this exercise improves your balance, coordination, and core strength while sculpting a leaner, more athletic midsection. Exercise 10. Plank jack hold. Let's finish this routine with a high-energy finisher that combines fat-burning cardio with static core strength. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Jump both feet out wide like you're doing a horizontal jumping jack, then quickly jump them back together. Repeat this movement for 20 to 30 seconds, keeping your hips low and your abs tight. After your active jumps, hold a standard plank for 10 to 15 seconds, squeezing your glutes and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This combination of dynamic movement and static hold creates a metabolic shock effect. Your heart rate stays high and your core stays engaged. Do this sequence for 3 rounds with 20 seconds rest in between. Beginners can step their feet out and in instead of jumping. Advanced participants can add a knee tuck between each jump or increase the duration. Keep your shoulders stable and your gaze slightly forward to protect your neck. Breathe evenly, don't hold your breath. Plank jack hold is a fantastic way to finish because it keeps your metabolism elevated long after your workout ends, which means you continue to burn calories even at rest. You've just completed this powerful 7-day at-home belly fat burning routine. And that in itself is a huge achievement. Think about where you were when you started this week, maybe feeling sluggish, low on energy, or frustrated with that stubborn belly fat. Now look at where you are, more active, more focused, and one big step closer to the healthier, more confident version of yourself you've always wanted. Remember, real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens when you stay consistent, listen to your body, and keep moving forward one day at a time. The exercises you just did are designed to boost your metabolism, target your core, and burn calories even after the workout ends. But the real secret to lasting results is turning this into a habit. Keep repeating this routine, challenge yourself to improve your form, increase your reps, or even extend your workout time as the days go by. Every little effort adds up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home workouts, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new routine. Share your 7-day journey in the comments. I'd love to hear your results and cheer you on. And remember, your fitness journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. Pair these exercises with mindful eating, proper hydration, and quality sleep, and you'll see even faster progress. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I promise you've got this. Your transformation is already in motion. Let's keep going together.